Hi guys, I am Chukwuka John and I'm here with Mr. Mike, and this guy is a financial literacy guy, right? And we're both investors, we're both in IT, and we just want to talk to you guys about financial literacy today. So Mike, introduce yourself and talk to us about what you are passionate about.
Absolutely. So, hi everyone. My name is Mike. I am as Mr. John said, I'm a financial literacy advocate. I am also a business owner, and this man is my pseudo mentor.
I take that.
Been doing this for a very long time, and the one thing that I will say when it comes to financial literacy is, I think it's important to understand kind of where you are, what your numbers look like, especially for young men.
Yeah.
Kind of coming of age, right? Of course, as we all know, America is a country where a lot of things are based on credit, but that's kind of the facade that we've been sold. The truth is, there are a lot of things that can be done without credit, right? So with that being said, in order to take advantage of some of the benefits, right, you have to kind of understand or have the foundation of financial literacy. What does that mean? It just means you need to understand, income statements, right? Not necessarily income statement from a financial, company standpoint. It's your personal income statement, right? Understand debts, right? Understand how to leverage, certain things, right? Just understand where you are, your credit score. Understand how much debt you have. Understand how to, use some of these tools to kind of make sure that you're meeting your personal goals. So that's kind of like what I'm about. That's what I've been doing for a very long time. Is just to educate, young men, mentor them, and help them understand just the foundation. There are a lot of things, of course, that builds off of that. However, everything starts with the foundation. Thank you.
That's great, bro. That's great. So, I mean, with building foundation and all that, which is really great. You and I we were having a conversation the other day, and I said, financial literacy is just the basics. You have to understand everything you just said right now. But to you, what is financial freedom to you? What does that term means to you?
Absolutely. So to me, financial freedom means just buying back my time, right? Just the ability to do the things that I want to when I want to, at my own convenience, at my own pace. Essentially, just having that freedom to be able to live life on your own terms, in my terms. That's my goal. That's really what financial freedom means to me, and that's kind of what we've myself, Mr. John, and I'm sure a lot of financial influencers out there. That's kind of the pursuit, right? Like some people pursue American dream, we are pursuing our individual dream, right? That's kind of the goal.
Bro, thank you very much for that. I like how simple you make it, the definition, right? Buying back your time, right? Reclaiming your time and all that. And I'm seeing here your family. These are the reason why you push yourself, to be financially independent someday, because you want to invest as much time as possible with them.
Absolutely.
And all that. And we are here at the Cape. So this is how we are pursuing our financial freedom, right? Buying one apartment at a time, right? And before you know it, you are invested in a whole lot of asset classes. You are invested in a whole lot of things that are actually paying you money to be able to buy your time back and also invest time with your family. So, Mr. Mike, I appreciate you, bro.
Absolutely. Thank
Let's
you
do
so
some
much
more
for-
business.
Absolutely. More
Yeah.
business for sure. Absolutely. Thank
Thank
you.